there's a stone in here, and that really makes me excited. Like, it makes me excited. Am I the only one? I get all giddy when it comes to the Goddess Provisions box. Hello there beauty, it's your girl Euniycemari here, and so today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Goddess Provisions November box. I'm super duper excited. There was one particular item that I was really super duper excited to get my hands on. If you have not seen my previous Goddess Provisions unboxings, I will link them above and down below for you to go and check out. Now if you are unfamiliar with what Goddess Provision is, it is a monthly subscription of $33 and you receive a box full of spiritual goodies. If you are new to my channel, hello, I'm Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the post notification bell so you are notified when I upload, as well as if you like what I do here on my channel, give me a big thumbs up and share your girl with the world. So let's go ahead and let's jump right into this month's box. I'm so excited. So first, we are going to get into the theme of this box. This box is Moon Mousse, okay? So this box is all about the moon, but the moon is very powerful. Not only does it sync with women and our cycles, it also controls the ocean. Like, the moon is so powerful. So let's first get into the monthly mantra first. The monthly mantra is, I flow and thrive when I tune into the energy of each moon phase, okay? And there are different phases of the moon, and we'll get all into that in a moment. So the first thing that I want to pull out the box is this Lunar Phases 2019 calendar. It looks like this. So this just has pretty much all of the phases of the moon. This is the Dreamy Moons 2019 moon calendar. It says, hang this super cute mini calendar in your home or office to keep track of the lunar cycles as you plan out the year ahead. Now, currently on my phone, I have a moon cycle app, so I can go on there and see when we're having a full moon and a new moon and all the cycles in between. So that's also another way for you to do that. And this is from Dreamy Moons. Now this does retail for $9, but I really do feel that you can download an app for free and get the same thing. But I do like the idea behind it. I do like the fact that you do have a little calendar here that shows you all the phases of the moon depending on the day. So they have like all the full moon dates, which I really do like, because you want to do certain things on the full moon and on the new moon, manifesting, releasing, and so it's always good to know at a glance when you have those days coming up. So I think this is really cool. Ooh, and it also gives you new moon ritual ideas. Now that is amazing. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is this Veda. I don't even know how you pronounce this. It is Element Truffle Dark Hot Chocolate. Savor the moment while gazing at the moon and sipping on a cup of turmeric infused hot cocoa. Hey, now you know what? I love turmeric. Turmeric is a great anti-inflammatory. It's really great for your insides. And come on, turmeric and chocolate in one setting, perfect for the fall and the winter. I can't wait to actually get this. And it's all natural. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, like always, everything in this box is natural. Turmeric infused dark hot chocolate. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? And that retails for $7. You get a 4 ounce. The next item that we're going to talk about here is the Arabella Crystal Moonstone Candle. Burn this coconut scented soy candle and allow the hidden moonstone to appear with divine timing. So there's a stone in here, and this is a $8 value. Oh, so there's a stone in here. Ooh, that's exciting. This is what it looks like. Let me smell it. Ooh, it smells really good. And this is the candle's purple, and it just smells really good. There's a stone in here, and that really makes me excited. Like, it makes me excited. Am I the only one? I get all giddy when it comes to the Goddess Provisions box. The next product here we're going to talk about is the Moon Journal Mini Moon Deck. Use these cards to align with the cycling energy of the moon so you can create a more harmonious rhythm to your day-to-day life. $17 value. And we do have a new moon coming up, actually, next week, or is it this week? There's one coming up. So this is pretty much the new moon journal deck. Moon journal mini moon deck. It looks like this. And I just love it. I think it's so cute. And they just have like the new moon waxing first quarter, everything you need to know about the phases of the moon. And then it says reflect. So it's like a little guide. So it's like, let me make this clear. So for example, this will be a waxing crescent moon, or this will be a waxing crescent moon, and it says to reflect. Oh, and they just have like receive depending on the type of moon there is out there. Look at that art. I love it. Oh my goodness. They're just really, really good. Look at that. So these cards are pretty interesting and cool, and this is the back part of the card. So I can't really wait to work with that. Like, I like the fact too that I always get a stone and a little deck of cards with them. Like, y'all, God's provision is bomb.com. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to talk about is this. What is it? Oh, Light Body Creations Moonlight Mist. Spray this calming blend of essential oils throughout your sacred space before meditating or bedtime. $16.50 value. Spray your space. Ooh. It smells really good. Oh, I love the way that it smells. Crystal infused with moonstone. Bottle with amber. Crafted beyond sacred alkaline water. Okay, my camera decided to like cut off, but yeah, so I can't wait to try this. And yeah, all right, so let's move on to the next thing. All right, so the next thing we got was this little, I guess it's a little handkerchief, or you can, my thing is that you can sit it on your altar, and it has like all the little moon faces of the moon on it. It's purple, and I think this will be something really great to put onto your altar. And yeah, I thought this would be really, really nice. Look at that. That's pretty gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous. So that is the Access Our Eyes Crystal Grid Altar Cloth. It's an altar cloth. I was right. Amplify the energy of your crystals with this altar cloth crystal grid that is handmade in Bali and screen printed with crystal infused selenite ink. That's interesting. And this retails for $22, you guys. So let me tell you guys what it is that I wanted so bad. And when I received it, I was just like, my new baby. My new baby, okay? Now, this is the Fractalista Moon Phase Selenite. Place this piece on your altar and use a small crystal to mark the phases of the moon. Or use it as a wand to cleanse your auric field. Am I saying that right? Auric field and other crystals. And this retails for $25, okay? Let me show it to you. Girl. So, check out this baby. I am just so excited. Check out this baby. Isn't she gorgeous, yo? And if you look at it, there are the phases of the moon sketched into this piece of selenite. When I'm telling you guys, I was so excited to get my hands on this. This was my piece. Now, I always wanted a piece of selenite, if I'm saying this correctly or if I'm pronouncing it correctly. I always wanted a piece of it, but I never gotten around to getting one. So the fact that I have it and it has the phases of the moon etched into it, this does scratch easy. So you want to make sure that you don't like throw it around or anything. It says selenite Selenite, named after the Greek goddess of the moon, has become an essential tool for energy workers because of its ability to cleanse and amplify vibrations. It absorbs light and reflects a purified version of its truest radiance. Acting similarly in the metaphysical realm, selenite draws in energy to transmute them for their highest potential. Place this stone on your altar or anywhere it will catch and radiate natural light. Be mindful, cellulite is very delicate and water soluble and scratches easily. So you don't want to put this near water. It does scratch easily, so you want to really take care of this baby. All right, so this is the last item, and this is the one that I was the most excited about, and I really just can't wait to find a pretty place to put it on my altar. Okay, so you guys, with that being said, that is it for the Goddess Provision box for November. I think this box is a really great, amazing box. I was so excited to get my hands on it, and I will of course leave links down below and everything for you guys who are interested to go and check it out. But with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.